In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Google Looker Studio, which was formerly called Google Data Studio. Let's dive into what Looker Studio is all about, how it can benefit you, and walk through the simple steps to get started using this powerful tool for your data visualization needs. First, let's explore what Looker Studio actually is. Think of Looker Studio as a dynamic web-based tool that allows you to transform your raw data into visual stories that make sense to anyone. It's a wonderful resource provided by Google, designed to help you create engaging and interactive reports and dashboards. What makes Looker Studio unique is its ability to integrate seamlessly with a variety of data sources. Whether you're pulling data from Google Sheets, Google Analytics, BigQuery, or accessing one of over 600 other connectors, it's equipped to handle them all. The best part? It's completely free under the self-service plan, allowing you to unlock its full potential without the worry of additional fees. Now let's walk through how you can access Looker Studio via the web, making it incredibly convenient to use. The beauty of Looker Studio is that there's no need for a complicated installation process. It runs smoothly right from your web browser. Start by navigating over to lookerstudio.google.com. Once you're there, simply sign in using your Google account. It's that easy. After logging in, you'll find yourself on a comprehensive dashboard. Here, you have a few options to explore. You can choose to create a new report from scratch, making use of the vast variety of templates available. Or you can manage your data sources and any reports you might have already worked on. This flexibility gives you full control over how you want to visualize and present your data. For those of you looking for a more desktop-like experience, there's a neat little trick that you might find useful. Although Looker Studio doesn't have a dedicated desktop app, you can use third-party tools like Web Catalog Desktop to achieve a standalone window environment on either Windows or Mac OS. This setup can provide a more focused workspace by limiting the distractions of typical browser tabs, allowing you to concentrate solely on the task at hand. In summary, Looker Studio is a versatile and powerful tool for anyone needing to interpret data in a visual and interactive way. With its easy web accessibility and optional desktop-like experience, you'll find it to be flexible and user-friendly, whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned data analyst. Enjoy exploring its capabilities and transforming the way you see your data.